Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Uteeisong, and for today's video I'm going to show you a very easy way to do a black smoky eye using your eyeshadow palette, and I'm heading straight into the video. Now first, you create your base, and I used a white concealer to create mine. Now the base is very important because it makes your eyeshadow color to pop. Now because I want a bit of an orange tone at the crease, I'm applying an orange shade just at the crease. Now you can use any dark color of your choice for your smoky. It mustn't be black. It's just that for this video I'm using a black color. Now the good thing about smoky eye is that all you have to do is just keep applying the color to be as dark as you want, unlike an ombre shadow that you have to blend just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Although in smoky you have to pay attention not to exceed the crease area or else you look scary, except it's for a costume makeup or you're creating some form of artistic look. Now I'm repeating the same process for this eye, just in case you were lost at some point. Now because I want to add more colors to the inner corners of her eyes, I'm going to use a red shade just for a more colorful and more beautiful effect. And lastly, I'm going to use my glitters. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned from it and I hope you loved what you saw. If you did, please like, subscribe and keep sharing. I'll see you guys in the next video.